What's that? Look! This one will be our fame! Let's get ready!
Okay, let's go!
Fame? That could turn us into a pile of bones. My turn! Ha! He shot himself, Roran.
Then let's get ready. 1, 2, 3. Hurry up! Don't let it catch up!
Oh no!
We'll have to use our special abilities to defeat it!
Exactly.
Oh.
Finally, we won.
Nothing's impossible.
At least it didn't explode. Nothing should happen now.
I've got sunglasses. It's too bright.
A devil fruit.
Roran, move a little faster. Trouble is coming.
Help me! Help me!
Yee! A giant stingray is clinging onto us!
No, we're moving along with the stingray. This isn't good. We need to separate from the stingray, or we'll get swept into the current.
Hey you! Hey you!
What a relief! We're still alive, but where are the others?
They might have been swept away to another place. We need to find them.
Yes, sir!
Okay, let's go!
Everyone, look! There's a strange statue here!
Aha! Let's go! Okay!
No! God! Chase me away then! Lulu, you slowpoke!
You are so disrespectful. You have destroyed the very soul of this island.
Did you do this, Roran? I made it look better! Why are you punishing us?
It was you, Lucas. You were the one who attached the arm to the statue.
Then take a look at your masterpiece. I spent countless years decorating and perfecting my domain, and you not only moved things around, but even attached the arm backward.
Oh no!
Listen up. Restore it to its original state and clean up this place, or I will devour you all.
Why should I listen to you?
This is amazing. We've never felt this at peace before.
Yes!
I'm sorry, it was just an accident.
Is everyone done yet?
done. You surface dweller, unbelievable. I have a gift for you. It will aid you when you need it.
We'll open each box one by one.
We're gonna be rich.
Pew pew pew.
Wow, that looks tough. Now it's my turn.
No! God, please, no!
I could totally devour you. My turn. This chest is empty. We've turned into pigs. Pretty cute, actually.
We shall explore this world. Well, let me try.
We have to find 2 apples for it.
Let's go.
I found my apple. Now go find yours. Let's keep looking for watermelons.
Come on, follow me. I saw a watermelon patch just a while ago.
This journey is amazing.
We're here. Oh no, damn. It's Nina. I think we should retreat. We can't let her find us.
Hey, we're pigs, right? Just tiptoe nice and slow. Stick with me. Let's go. Time for action.
Let me help you.
Naughty pig! You can't steal the watermelon! Hand it over!
Oh my God!
Hurry up. Come on, Lucas. We're almost out.